Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that begins now. Today we're going to continue our aquarium project, well, my aquarium project, and this is part 4. So today, so first I'm going to make the tank more round, so select the tank itself and add a subdivision surface, so not the water, the tank, and add a subdivision surface modifier. Add 2 like viewports, and then you can go to edit mode and add some lubricants, so one there and another one on the other side to make it more solid. You don't want it to make it too round. And then go to object mode and scale it. Oh, and I forgot. Add another lubricant on like the vertical, down like that. And then go to object mode and scale it out like that. And now it looks better. See? If we go to render view mode, I'll show you how it looks. It looks way better. Okay, now we're gonna do this wood texture for the table. So the link is in the description here. So download it and let's put the texture in. Okay, so now go to render view mode. Go to render view mode. Add a light, an area light, and then move it up above the tank to give it more light, to give the tank more light, and that'll be it for that, just to give it more light. Now you want to hide the reference photo for like the fish. Hide that. Hide that. Right now I'm just doing a little tweak to and make sure to delete the fish reference photo. I made a mistake. Yeah. So once you've got to delete that, you're good to go. Change a few settings of the light. So it depends on you, like how bright, but I recommend 100 just probably 100, 150. Yeah. You can change the strength, you can change some world settings. Make the background the same, like, same size, the both of them, and select both of the walls, and press P and press selection to separate it from the floor. So we have 2 different objects. You can select the floor. Oh, select all of them by pressing Shift and selecting the other one, and press M to make a new collection and call it environment. Go to the shader editor and put the texture on. So if you go to the shader editor, select the table / ground and make a new material. Rename it to floor, and then insert an image texture and select the wood texture by pressing open. So press open and select it from your computer. So it should look the same as mine. So the wood texture should be on the table now. Now if you go to UV editing, change the picture of like the old photo, change it to the wood texture. So we were doing the pebbles last time, so change it to the wood texture. Yeah, now it's changed. Then you can select the floor in edit mode and press A to select all of it, then press U and unwrap. Then once you've done that, you can like select the top and by dragging over it, and then like move it. So if you move it down, the texture will become like shorter, like the lines become shorter. It's kind of hard to explain, but you'll see when you do it. So you can press G to move it. You can also use axis, so GZ, you can use that. Yeah. Good. Now go back to the shader editor. Go to the viewport, material mode, whatever shader mode thing, and you wanna duplicate it for the other one. So duplicate it and select the roughness, and then duplicate it for the normals as well. So follow me. What I do? So select the roughness file, plug it into the roughness. As you can see, it became shinier, like wood. Not too shiny, but it's okay for now. It's good. Put in the normals as well. Put in the normals. Can't forget the normals. Okay, now you want to insert a normal map node and drag in the nodes to make it go in. You can't like just put it in and plus change both of them to non-color. You can't just plug it in like from the normal map into the normals, because you just can't. As you can see, it's working. You can see the thing. Now you can like tweak the background. You don't have to, but I want mine to be looking fancy, so you can like change the background color. I would recommend not to make it too dark, because then that'll like look weird. Plus I have no idea why I chose blue, because I don't know actually. But anyways, you can model some stuff to put around. Right now I'm just being a bit like naughty and creating stuff that's not supposed to be there. Like, okay, it doesn't matter. Just, yeah, you get it. You can put whatever you want in the photo. I mean, it's yours. You don't have to copy me. go to the world settings and tweak it. So right now I'm tweaking it, like rotating it so like it faces like the aquarium. So I made a little window there to like I'm gonna make like a window there, and then like the sunlight coming through onto the aquarium, which will be cool, and I like that. In part 5, I'll show you how to make that window, and it will be cool. So watch next for part 5. So that looks pretty cool. Right now I'm just trying to like I'm just proud of what I did. Okay, now change the IOR of the aquarium. So select the aquarium, go to materials, and change the IOR. So it like how to say the reflectiveness kind of. So yeah, that's the end. See you in part 4. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. I don't know why I'm whispering.